Heavy snow has hit parts of western New York as a potentially historic storm that has already brought traffic to a halt on major roads, threatens to topple trees, damage property, and knock out power as temperatures drop. The snowfall will result in near-zero visibility, difficult to reach and impossible flight, damage infrastructure, and paralyze the hardest-hit communities, the National Weather Service said on Thursday.
Picked up a little bit of snow overnight. About 3 feet so far here in Hamburg. Snowing very heavily still, cars are buried. Beautiful.
Very cold air will accompany this event, with temperatures 20 degrees below normal forecasts by the weekend. 3 feet of snow had already fallen by Friday morning in Orchard Park, home of the NFL's Buffalo Bills. I want to be very clear. This is not your usual snowfall in the city of Buffalo or the region, Buffalo Mayor Byron Brown said Friday, when 4 to 5 feet of snow was forecast. It's a blizzard with potentially deadly consequences if people don't do the right thing.